How's it going, Option Sharks? This is your option coach here, and in this video what I want to cover about is President Trump's negotiation style, his strategy when it comes to negotiating great deals. And if you are an investor or you're trading options, you really need to pay attention to what the president is up to, what kind of deals he's working on, and how he is working with other countries and other leaders around the world. So this is very important. And if what I noticed how he's doing it is he likes to play hardball, right? So Mr. Trump, his style of negotiation is hardball. He likes to push his opponent to the point where they have no other choice, where they have to react. And once they react, they reveal their cards. And once Trump can see what cards they have revealed, this is where he kind of backpedals. So if you notice Taco, his nickname, he kind of backpedals to meet some type of common ground where it's favorable for mostly him and the U.S. and then of course also slightly favorable for his opponent as well. But hey, I think that is a great strategy, right? Because if you push your opponent to the corner and there's no way to get out, this is where they react, and this is where they reveal the cards. So in this case, how this affects the market, how this affects investors and option traders is that there's 3 other nations out there that are really large nations. For example, China is number 2, then you have Russia, then you have India, and they make up for most of the BRICS nations. So what you have noticed is Mr. Trump has been isolating these countries and pushing them to work together. And once they start working together, and then they reveal their cards, right? And this is what Trump wanted, to see what would happen if I were to isolate them. And through the isolation, they decided to partner together and work together. And once Trump understands that, then he can play his cards, because then he can see, okay, these are their cards. How am I going to play our cards? How am I going to position the U.S. to be able to capitalize on this, right? Once I know their cards, I can strategize much better, more effective, more efficiently. So this is what I'm noticing. And if you've seen in the markets, the BRICS nation, they're doing the de-dollarization, causing gold and silver to rise because of that. All right, and also they're not having the faith in the dollar because the dollar is being weaponized, and they're not buying into the treasury bills as well. So understand that this affects the market, and how you want to position yourself is very important. And from Trump's strategy, I like his strategy. I think that he's knowing now we know the cards that the other nations have, we can negotiate something favorable on the common grounds, and then be able to have some terms more favorable to the U.S. So in the beginning, it's okay. Play the hardball. Your opponent reveals their cards, and then you readjust, right? So that way you meet on some type of common ground. And then once that common ground has been reached, you will see the market will benefit tremendously from it. All right. So in the beginning, there will be a lot of volatility when Trump is playing hardball, but once their cards are revealed, then he backpedals to meet on a common ground with the other nations. So this is my projection and my thesis on how Trump's negotiating to hit the terms with other nations. And then, of course, this is what we do. What I focus on is understanding the market, so I can position myself and capitalize on it and take advantage of it. So if you're in the markets, you like what I have shared today, like and subscribe. If you want to learn how to trade options, I'll be more than happy to help you generate income 3 to 10% per month. You could book a time. The link is in the description or in the comment section. You'll personally speak with me. And of course, stay tuned on the second half of this video. You'll see an actual sample of a coaching call that I do with one of my option sharks. All right, so like and subscribe, leave a comment, and of course, and book a time. And of course, I'll see you on the next one. With Joseph, we are collecting profits, and we're rolling to generate more income. Currently, this is a roll. So you see current position is $6.50 put. This is already above 95% profit. So we're paying $1, 0.01 or $1 to get out of the trade. 3 contracts, so $1 times 3, that's $3 to get out. Or opening a new position for a $7 put for the following week, collecting 0.21 or $20 because we have to minus the 1, and collecting $60 to roll this to a future date and collect more credits. Yeah, and then just hit continue and then process that, and then we'll go to the next one. And 3, yeah, we'll leave that put. You can put it might not get filled, but we can try. Let's just leave that put 0.20 and then just process this. Yeah, just leave it. It's already there.
Just leave it at that.
Yeah, let's see if it gets filled. If it doesn't, we just do it again and just hit review order and then submit. And we'll just leave that for now. See if it gets filled on. So
Hmm.
let's go to the next trade. Let's go back to your main screen.
Oh.
Yeah, that's fine. We'll just leave that, let it sit there. And then SoFi as well. Click on the SoFi trade. SoFi $8 put. See if we can roll it for more profit. Yeah, we can. Uh, SoFi, same thing. We're gonna roll this position, and let's see. Yeah, we can roll for $10. All right, so
So
it's not
this
much,
is,
but there's
yeah.
1050. But let me see what's the technical analysis. 1050 is okay too. Yeah, we can do 1050. It's not bad. So select 1050. There you
So
go.
we're trading at this
We're moving the strike
percentage
price.
wise.
Yeah, we're
Hmm.
currently closing the $8 put and taking
Hmm.
profits on that, right? Because it's only worth $1 now. And then
Hmm.
we're closing that and opening a new position and moving the strike price to 1050 and collecting $28.
Now,
So
where did you say $1?
on the current, if you first add this trade to the trade window, click on the 1050, and then we'll look at the everything else.
Okay.
Yeah. So then once you click the plus sign,
Okay.
now you see it says on the right, current position, $8 put, right? That's your
This one.
current position. Yeah. This position
Okay.
is only worth $1, 0.01.
Point
It's
zero
worthless.
one.
You already
Because
collected
it.
all the, yeah, you're buying to close it. You're paying $1 to close out this contract. And then
Okay.
you're
So.
opening, yeah, you're selling to open a new contract that you're gonna collect $27 for. But 0.27 minus zero point zero 0.01, because remember you had to pay $1 to get out, you're gonna
Yeah.
collect
Yeah.
$26. Yeah. So hit continue.
Okay. So let me see if I understood this right. So we
Yeah.
don't really have to wait until the
No, you
last.
don't have to let it expire naturally. You can actually
Yeah.
pay $1 to get out and open new trades for next week today to capture time decay.
Hmm.
So you can make more by
So.
opening more by because if you try to make this trade on Monday, this roll, you're gonna collect less.
Mm, mm, because of the time
Theta.
decays and stuff.
Correct.
So
Yeah.
okay, so
So sometimes that's why sometimes it's okay to make close trades out early on Thursday and Friday and make the
mhm.
same trades for next week to capture theta.
Yes, yes, that's yeah. So this is pretty much what we will gain if we wait until you know
Yeah,
like
you wait till
the
the end of today to make an extra
end of
dollar. That's stupid.
yes, yes. Okay, that's what I'm trying to
Yeah.
analyze in my head. So
Yeah.
that's
Now, if
see
you
if I
wanted to be super passive, yeah, you can do that. If you're a very busy guy, then just let your contracts expire naturally, and then we'll trade on Monday. But
uh,
if you have time to monitor and maintenance it, and you want to make a couple dollars more, or obviously if there's more contracts, you can make a lot more. Then you want to do what we're
yeah,
doing.
it's a no-brainer. So basically, if you have the time to.
Correct.
Okay, yeah.
All right.
No, I'm slowly learning all this. I mean, I
Yeah,
still it's
you're
got
gonna learn through asking questions and repetition. So very good. Let's hit
yeah,
continue.
yeah.
Let's process this. So before the numbers change again. Not sure if it
Okay.
would. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna get filled. So just put 0.25.
2.5.
Yeah, 0.25. Yeah, and then they just hit review order, and that's it. Process it. Submit. It's gonna get filled. Okay, let's go back to your main screen. That other one never got filled, so we need to bring it down to the bid. Click on that pending trade. Yeah, click on that, and then replace order. All right, we were doing a $7 put for next week. Yeah, so click on seven, the that one. Yeah, and then hit continue. Want to do a 0.17. The value has dropped, so 0.17. 0.17 to get filled. All right. Hit review order and process it. Submit. All right.